Welcome to Elite Service Masters, your go-to source for top-tier home maintenance and repair tips. In today's video, we're diving into the essential steps to get your home winter ready, all with simple handyman tips. Now here's the twist. I'm challenging myself to complete all these tasks before the first snowfall hits. Can I do it? Stick around to find out. Getting your home ready for winter is extremely important, not only to keep you and your family warm and cozy, but also to prevent costly repairs down the line. A few simple handyman tips can go a long way in making sure your home is winter ready, and that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. Winter is a challenging time for homeowners, but some of the most common issues can be prevented with a little bit of prep work. Heating issues, for instance, can be a real nightmare, especially if you're relying on an old system that's not functioning efficiently. And let's not forget about frozen pipes, which can cause thousands of dollars in damage if not addressed promptly. Insulation problems are another common issue, especially in older homes where the insulation may be worn out or damaged. But winter challenges aren't limited to just these issues. Leaky faucets, for example, can freeze and burst, causing even more damage to your pipes. And if you have a pool or outdoor equipment, you'll need to winterize those as well to prevent damage from freezing temperatures. And let's not forget about roof damage, which can lead to expensive repairs if left unchecked. As you can see, there are a lot of potential issues that can arise during the winter months. But with a little bit of preparation, you can prevent most of them. By checking your insulation, sealing drafts, and preparing your heating system, you can ensure a warm and cozy winter season. One of the most important things you can do is check your insulation to make sure it's functioning properly. This is especially important if you have an older home, where the insulation may be worn out or damaged. You should also check for any gaps or cracks in your walls or floors, and seal them with caulk or spray foam to prevent cold air from entering your home. Another key tip is to prepare your heating system for the winter months. This includes having it serviced by a professional, changing the filters, and making sure it's functioning efficiently. You should also consider installing a programmable thermostat to help reduce your energy bills. Sealing drafts is another important step in winterizing your home. This includes installing weather stripping around your doors and windows, and sealing any gaps or cracks in your walls or floors. You should also consider installing storm windows to help reduce heat loss. One key tip that can save homeowners significant money or prevent major issues is maintaining their gutters. Clogged gutters can cause ice dams to form on your roof, which can lead to expensive repairs. By cleaning your gutters and installing gutter guards, you can prevent this from happening. By following these simple handyman tips, you can ensure a warm and cozy winter season and prevent costly repairs down the line. Remember, a little bit of prep work can go a long way in keeping your home safe and secure during the winter months. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, share the video with fellow homeowners, and drop a comment below with your own winter prep hacks. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more handy tips from Elite Service Masters. See you in the next video.